Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Project Man. You're wondering why I have an Xbox One Slim right here. I have to take it apart. The HDMI port needs to be replaced. It's going to be a 3 steps video. 1, how to take it apart. 1, how to replace the HDMI port. And 3, how to put it back together. Alright, let's get started. First, I already removed the tab back here. There was a security tag. You just gotta start prying this part all the way around the part, and it will come off the tabs. First, I'm gonna start in this area. And the back of the bomb is all taken apart. Flip it over and start removing the screen bolts here to remove the top cover. Yeah, look, it was made in January 22nd, 18th. 2018. Okay. Okay, Microsoft. Let's see what they did. You had to pull that right side and left side to get this top piece off. But it makes it easier for me that I took those other screws off, because I can just, when I get down to the motherboard, I can just pull it off. I'm learning just like you guys are. Just like I'm gonna be learning for my first time how to do an HDMI port. It will be fun. Now, okay, looks like I can take that little guy off next, and this little guy. And there she is, little guy. Alright, she's almost got skin there. Looks like it will come off now. Yep. So that was easy. I think that could have came off without taking that off, but oh well. Now the top cover is off. And so far, this is what the Xbox One Slim looks like, and I say, nice little setup that they have going on there. Okay, so right now I'm going to keep this flat and take the front motherboard piece off for the controller. There's the control module for the controllers. Alright. Next, I'm going to put all these little screws in this bag. Again, just trying to make it easy and keep everything separate. Well, not everything, but for the most part. Alright. Next, I'm going to take the DVD drive off. Maybe with the hard drive, because the hard drive wants to come with it. Okay, so to easy, just move it slowly. And the hard drive is out. It is a Toshiba 500 gig. Okay, now I can get to the wires for the DVD drive. There's that one. And wiggle that one a little bit, and boom. And then here's the disk drive for the Xbox Slim. Alright, and one other power supply is next. Maybe? Oh, wants to work with me? Can't get my freaking pay. Yeah. That's level. Too bad. I was like when I stop until this part. Ah, okay, I got it. So, too big. I couldn't find my needle nail pliers wherever they went to. Screwdriver, just push it that way, it came off. Easy job, took longer than I said. It happens. Maybe I can take this fan off, but I'm not sure. Looks like I can. Just gotta be gentle, take your time. Pull it out at the same time, so you just want to go with you. There we go. There's that. Another one that. Yeah, that was easy. So the connector is right there. Easy, just pulls up. And looks like. Yeah, that's the hole for the. Looks like it could be for the fan, but yeah, that can come right off too. I forgot that I do need to take the heat sink off. I had a me moment, so I'm gonna do this before ending the video. Okay, back to the bigger boy here. Oh, no, I was done. Head turn. gotta take that little clip off, and now it should come off. Like that. And there's the case. It's a little bit harder than it should have been. And yeah, a lot of good clamps that Microsoft like to do. But you don't have to take this part off. We only need to take the other piece off for the motherboard, thank God. Those clamps are a pain a little bit. But now we can get to the motherboard with no issues. There's the motherboard here. Bottom piece. Power supply, controller module, Wi-Fi module, the top cover, the bottom cover, the fan, the top cover, the metal top cover, DVD drive, and the hard drive. And that's it. That's how you take apart the Xbox One Slim. Wasn't the best take apart video, I'm sure, but you know, I'm learning just like you guys are learning. So it's always okay. Step one every time. Step one, and go from there. Alright, you guys have a good one, and I will see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye.